I'm going to share my fantastic brownie recipe. It's so delicious and gooey, and it only takes about 20 minutes to make and 25 minutes to cook. So come with me and I'll share how to make it. First step, we melt butter and chocolate, which is happening right now. So we've got dark chocolate, one slab and one slab of butter, and wait till that's all cooked, and then we add all the other ingredients, and then it's just popped in the oven. So here I've got all the other ingredients measured out. We've got 80 grams of dark cocoa powder, 4 eggs, teaspoon of baking powder, spelt flour, 65 grams, and 200 grams of caster sugar. We will let the butter and chocolate melt, and then I'll be right back. Here we have the delicious chocolate all melted together. I'm going to let that cool for 10 minutes and then come back and add it with the dry ingredients. A couple of minutes, I'm going to scrape the sides down. Next step, we'll add 1 egg at a time. And then we'll repeat till all the 4 eggs are mixed around, but 1 at a time makes it go silky and smoother. Ready now with the chocolate brownie mix already mixed in together, and we're going to pop it into my prepared tin, ready for the oven. So I'm just going to pour this in. Wow, it's so velvety. Can't wait to taste this one. And then just scraping it out with a spatula. Here we have the cooked brownies, looking and smelling absolutely fabulous. So when I cut them, I will show you what they look like on the inside.